Open Copilot's model picker in GitHub and scroll past the usual names, and there's a line most developers have never clicked. A model priced 5 times cheaper, sitting 1 click away the whole time. Open Copilot's model picker and you'll see the usual names: GPT-5, 5 Claude Gemini. Buried near the bottom, a new one, Kimi K2, 7 code. 5 to 7 times cheaper per call for the exact same coding work. Two very different bets. GPT-5, 5 proprietary polished, a black box you trust because Microsoft says so. Kimi K2, 7, a trillion parameter open model you can actually inspect. So why isn't every developer already switched over? Here's the part GitHub buried in the fine print. For individual Pro and Max plans, it's live today, flip a toggle, done. For business and enterprise, it ships off, and an admin has to go turn it on. So here's what actually flips it. Open settings, find the model picker, enable Kimi K2, 7 code, and confirm your org allows it. A trillion parameters, running as a mixture of experts, so you're not even paying for the whole brain on every request. That efficiency is exactly why the price dropped this hard. Same brain, same output quality, radically leaner bill. Licensing is the other half of the story. GPT-5, 5 stays closed, you rent access and trust the vendor's word. Kimi ships under a modified MIT license, weights and all. Here's my honest take, cheaper was never the real headline. Auditable is. When the weights are public, nobody can quietly nerf the model you built your workflow around. This is GitHub's first open weight model ever offered in that picker. You can even self-host the same weights on your own hardware if you want zero vendor in the loop at all. Hugging Face hosts the full release. Download it, run it, or just flip the picker in Copilot, the same model, 3 different levels of control. One detail people miss. It's rolling out per plan tier, not per repo, so a teammate 2 seats over might already be running it while you're still on the expensive default. Switch it and 3 things change at once. Your build drops, your latency shifts a little, and for the first time, you can actually read what the model's doing. Who should switch today? High-volume teams burning budget on routine completions. Who should wait? Anyone mid-audit on a proprietary-only compliance policy. Picture the teams already flipping it. Agencies burning thousands of completions a day, solo devs paying by the token, startups that read every line before it ships. Zoom into that one checkbox in settings, and you're looking at the cheapest unopened decision in your whole toolchain. The most expensive habit in software right now isn't a bad model. It's never reopening a menu you set once and forgot. 5 to 7 times the cost, sitting one setting away from 5 to 7 times less. That's not a hypothetical saving, that's this week's bill. The real headline was never the discount, it's that the weights are public, auditable and yours to check, so go open that model picker and see what's been sitting there.